OpenAI just released some massive news and I'm so excited for this feature. They added the ability for ChatGPT's Advanced Voice Mode to actually see what is on your screen. And I want to tell you why this is absolutely going to change the game when it comes to actually using this for Zapier automations. You could share your screen with ChatGPT and it will walk you through how to set up every single thing on your laptop, and I'm going to use this every day. All right, first of all, if you don't know what ChatGPT's Advanced Voice Mode is, let me test it out so I could show you on my phone. All you got to do is click this little button down here and it will pull up a voice. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Good. Could you actually help me set up a Zapier automation?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help. What kind of Zapier automation do you want to set up?
All right, so it's like speaking with a normal person or like a tutor or something. And before, we didn't have access to actually showing what's on our screen. Before, I had to tell it, what I saw on my desktop screen, and it would try to actually troubleshoot it for me. But now we could share our screen on our phone or our desktop, and it could see every single thing we could see. I'm gonna use this every single day to build amazing Zapier workflows, and no longer do I need to worry if it's too complicated because ChatGPT will walk me through how to do it step by step. I'm gonna go over it in this video so you can see exactly what I mean. All right, so for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be screen recording my phone, and I'm gonna actually allow Advanced Voice Mode to have access to what I'm seeing on my screen. Right now, ChatGPT's desktop app is not allowing me to actually use their new feature. So I'm gonna have to set up this app on my phone, which isn't ideal, but you'll be able to get the gist of how this works and how crazy this is. So let's go ahead and start off here. Hey, could you see my screen here?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Cool.
What would you like help with?
Yeah, so what
would you like me to help you with on your screen?
Yeah, do you see what I'm looking at now?
Yes, I see the Zapier dashboard. How can I assist you with it?
Yeah, so I've never actually made a Zap before. Can you actually help me, based on what you see on my screen, set up this Zap?
Sure. Let's start by clicking Zap under Start from Scratch. Then we can choose the trigger for your Zap. What task would you like to automate first?
How about when a new spreadsheet row is added to a spreadsheet, it then sends a Slack notification and a channel.
Great idea. First, select Google Sheets as the trigger app and choose the event New Spreadsheet Row. Then connect your Google Sheets account and specify the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. After that, we'll set up the Slack notification as the action.
So, new spreadsheet row. 1 second, I'm just setting all this up, so just bear with me.
No problem. Take your time setting it up. Let me know when you're ready for the next step, or if you have any questions.
All right, could you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're granting Zapier access to your Google account. Once that's done, you can proceed to select the spreadsheet and worksheet.
Cool, so I'm doing that now. Just give me a sec.
Sure thing. Let me know when you're ready or if you need help selecting the spreadsheet and worksheet.
All right, so it's saying test trigger. What? Oh, okay, I see. So it's giving me, you see what my screen says. What do I do with this?
The test trigger step checks if Zapier can find a recent row in your spreadsheet. If it found records, you can click Continue with Selected Record. That means the trigger is working. Then we'll move on to setting up the Slack notification step.
Okay, so I'm doing that now. What do I do right here?
Now, select Slack as the action app and choose the event Send Channel Message. Then connect your Slack account and configure the message details, like which channel to post in and what the message should say.
Okay, I'm selecting my Slack account now. Give me a sec.
Take your time. After connecting your Slack account, you'll be able to customize the channel and message content. Let me know if you need any help with that step.
Yeah, so I connected the channel. Now I'm at the part where it says message text. What do I do with this?
In the message text field, you can type the message you want to send to your Slack channel. You can also insert data from the Google Sheets trigger, like specific columns, to include dynamic content in your message. Once you set the message, you can test the action.
Sure, let's add the dynamic message. I want to add that spreadsheet or the context of that spreadsheet row that was just added to send that to Slack. So I just click this plus button. What do I select here? You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen. Click the plus button and select the relevant column from the spreadsheet, like the row content or specific cell data.
Oh, okay, I think it's the AI advice. So let me click that. Okay, so I now added that to the message text. So all I need to do now is click continue and it should be good to go.
Exactly. Click continue to proceed, and then you can test the action to ensure the Slack message is sent correctly. If everything looks good, you can publish your Zap.
Awesome, it looks like I was just sent the message in Slack. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad it worked. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to set up, or if you have any more questions.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
All right, there we go. Obviously, it's not ideal using this on your phone, but the fact that you could actually share your screen and see what you are doing with advanced voice mode is mind-blowing to me. ChatGPT is rolling this out to desktop users as we speak, so we should be able to do this and be a bit more efficient when using this for Zapier. But guys, I hope this shows you the capabilities of using this when using a platform like Zapier to actually build out workflows and automate your day-to-day life for your business. I think using this is going to change the game because you could actually build anything you want on your laptop or your phone because it could walk you through step by step how to do it. Think of it as like having your own YouTube tutorial that you could speak with about anything on your devices. So this is going to change how we interact with things. I think this is going to change education a ton in the coming years, and this is just the beginning. So if you guys want to follow along and see how to automate your life with AI and Zapier, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That being said, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.